Hi friends, I'm Clark. You're watching Tech Me Beauty, and today we're going to see how to insert a block arrows, shapes or block arrows on your Microsoft Excel mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how do you insert a block arrows in your Microsoft Excel mobile? Just going to show this video. So first, to insert the block arrows, click on this arrow section, just go inside the insert option, and here you just want to click on the shapes. After clicking on the shape, scroll down, you will have to find the block arrow topic. So here you can find a different type of block arrows like this. So you can just place, you can just extend it like this also. The yellow lines which actually gives to extend in different slightly like this. So you can just extend the shapes like this and also you can just change. You can also insert different type of shapes, arrows, block arrows. So this is another type you can see, and also you can just change the shape styles if you just need it like this, or if you just needed a shape style like this. Or also you can just change the full color if you just needed, and also the outline color can be easily changed. And also you have this arrangement option, and also you can have a different type of block arrows from the insert shape option. So this is how you just insert the block arrows on your Microsoft Excel mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.